Hi my dear students, welcome to ECE Online TSPSC Polytechnic Lecturer YouTube live session. In this session, I am going to cover important topics and important questions analysis on signals and system subject. Already we have completed one session in the yesterday's evening. See, already I have covered what is the syllabus of this subject in this course, okay? Signals and systems and a linear time invariant system, and I have divided this entire syllabus into 10 chapters, okay? Yes, in the yesterday's session I have completed the first 5 chapters are completed, okay, up to Fourier transform completed. Now in today's session we will discuss the important topics and important questions under these chapters, okay? Laplace transform, dt of t, jet transform, DFT, FFT and DFS, realization of digital filters, okay? Yes. Now first of all I am starting Laplace transform chapter, okay? Yes. What are the important topics under Laplace transform chapter is Laplace transform of standard signals, properties of Laplace transform, initial and final value theorems, okay? Yes. Already in the yesterday's session only I have given this point that Fourier transform, Laplace transform, dt of t, jet transform, the important topics are property statements and standard signal transforms, okay? Yes. From these two you will get the questions, okay? Yes. If you remember those tables, you can easily solve the question, okay? Yes. Now see here, for that reason I have given a table which consists of all the standard signal transforms, so and I'm giving another table which consists of property statements also. So these are the 4 very important signals in Laplace transform. E power minus at u of t, Laplace transform is 1 by s plus a, ROC is sigma greater than minus a, and minus e power minus at u of minus t is 1 by s plus a, ROC is sigma less than minus a. These, sigma less than minus a, it is a right sided signal, that's why ROC is right sided, left sided signal, that's why ROC is left sided, it is the property of ROC. Similarly these two signals also, okay? Yes. So, and I am giving one more table which consists of all the standard signals, okay? Yes, these 4 are the basic signals and these are all the remaining standard signals, okay? Yes, please go through all these standard signal transforms after completing the live session, okay? Note down, it is a very important table, okay? Yes, all these are the standard signals, okay? First column x of t, second column x of s, and the third column is ROC, okay? Yes. Next, this is also standard signals only, x of t, x of s and ROC, okay? Yes. Next, x of t, x of s, ROC. Now, this is the table consists of property statements, okay? Yes. Property name and the statement ROC, okay? Yes. Very important for this chapter, okay? Yes. Same property name, statement and ROC. Please note down after completing the live session, okay? Yes. And it is a very important thing. Steady state response of LTI system. See here, if the input is either cos or sine to the LTI system, output is also either cos or sine, but there is a change in magnitude and there is a change in phase, okay? Yes, if the input is cos, see here, output is also cos or sine, but there may be change in magnitude and phase. Similarly, if the input is sine, output is either cos or sine, but there may be change in magnitude and phase. This is the property of the LTI system. Similarly, if the input is a e power s naught t, output is a e power s naught t into h of s naught, means here e power s naught t is called eigenfunction to this LTI system, okay? Yes, because input and output are of the same form, okay? Yes, important one, okay? Yes. Now, let us see a few previous year's questions from this Laplace transform chapter. First question. The two-sided Laplace transform of x of t equals to e power minus 3t u of t plus e power 2t u of minus t is how much? He is asking what is the Laplace transform and also as well as what is the ROC, okay? Yes. So to solve this you have to know the 2 basic signal what I have given in the previous slide, okay? Yes. This is the table you need, okay? If you know this table you can easily solve this question, okay? Yes. Yeah, see here. Find the Laplace transform. X of s is equals to, what is the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t u of t? 1 by s plus 3, and what is the ROC? Sigma greater than minus 3. What is the Laplace of e power 2t u of minus t? minus 1 by s minus 2, ROC is sigma less than 2, okay, yes. And a capital X of s is equals to, simplify this, s minus 2 minus s minus 3 divided by s plus 3 into s minus 2, s square minus 2s plus 3s minus 6. What about combined ROC? It is the intersection. Sigma greater than minus 3 intersection sigma less than 2. So what is capital X of s now? X of s is equals to ss cancel minus 5 divided by s square plus s minus 6. What is the intersection of this? Tell me. Minus 3 less than sigma less than 2. Okay, yes. This is the Laplace transform and ROC for the given signal. Minus 5 by s square plus s minus 6. And the ROC is minus 3 less than sigma less than 2. Yes. Minus 5 by s square plus s minus 6. ROC is minus 3 less than sigma less than 2. Yes. The A is the right option. Anybody given the option? Yes. Correct. Yeah, it is also useful for TSPSC-ECE AE. Okay, Durga Prasad. Yes, it will be useful. Okay, yes, it will be useful. Okay, yes, no doubt it will be useful. Okay, yes. Next, if you have any queries, please post. Okay, yes, I will respond to your queries. Okay, yes. Next, see the next one. Laplace transform of sine cube 2t into u of t is how much? Okay, yes. Let us solve this one. X of t equals to sine cube 2t into u of t. We know the Laplace transform of sine bt into u of t and cos bt into u of t, but he has given sine cube 2t into u of t. How to convert into proper form? What is proper form? Tell me. What is sine 3 theta formula? What is sine theta? 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Yes or not? Yes. From this, what is sine cube theta? Tell me. Sine cube theta equals to 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Yes. So by using this formula, you convert into proper form first. So x of t is equals to 3 by 4 sine 2t u of t minus 1 by 4 sine 2t u of t. Okay, yes. Sine 2t u of t. Okay, yes. Sine 2t, sorry, 2 into 3 is there, means it becomes 60. Okay, yes, it becomes 60. Okay, yes, 60 u of t. Okay, yes. Now apply Laplace transform. What is the Laplace transform? Tell me. 1 by 4 if I take common, yes, 3 into sine bt u of t. Laplace transform just now have given in the table. B by s square plus b square means 3 into 2 divided by s square plus 4 minus 6 divided by, already 1 by 4 I have taken common, s square plus 36. Okay, yes. Simplify that one, then x of s is equals to 1 by 4, let us take common, then 3 into 2, 6, 6 also we can take common outside, 6 in the both the sides. So 1 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 36. So that is equals to 3 by 2 into s square plus 36 minus s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. Okay, yes. So s square cancel, 32. 32 into 3 divided by 2 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. So 16 into 3, 48. Yes, 48 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. Okay, yes, this is the right option. Okay, which is the right option? Once you check here, check it once. Yes, 48 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. 48 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. C is the right option. Yes, anybody given the option? Yes, C is the right option. Okay, yes, C is the right option. Yes, next. Laplace transform of t square plus 2t plus 3 into u of t is how much? Yes. Forward your answers, okay? In the live chat option, please post your answers, okay? Yes. Yes, we'll check that, okay? Yes. To solve this problem, just you need this formula. T power n u of t Laplace transform is n factorial by s power n plus 1. If you know this, you can able to solve this problem. So what is the Laplace transform is t square u of t is nothing but 2 factorial. 2 square by 2 by s cube plus 2 into t into u of t Laplace transform is 2 already there into 1 by s square. 3 into u of t is 3 by s, okay? Yes. So 2 by s cube plus 2 by s square plus 3 by s. 2 by s cube plus 2 by s square plus 3 by s. What is the right option? C is the right option. C is the right option, okay? Yes, correct. C is the right option, is correct, okay? Yes. Next see here. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus at into f of t is how much? How to solve these property statements directly given? Yes. Post your answer. What is the answer? What is the property how to apply? Shifting in S domain property. E power s naught t into x of t Laplace transform is how much? X of s minus s naught. So from that, e power minus at f of t Laplace transform is how much? Capital F of s plus a, okay? Yes. So the right option is C is the right option, okay? C is the right option. Yes, anybody given the option? Yes, correct. Durga Prasad, your answer is correct. Meghana, your answer is also correct. Correct, very good. Next, if del of t denotes a unit impulse, then the Laplace transform of d square del of t by dt square is how much? Time differentiation property. Yes, del of t Laplace transform is how much? 1. Then d square del of t by dt square Laplace transform. From time differentiation property, how much it is? S square into 1, nothing but s square. So what is the right option? Yes, the right option is s square. B is the right option. B is the right option. Yes, anybody given? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. B is the right option, okay? Yes. Next one. What is the inverse Laplace transform of e power minus as by s? How to solve this problem? Tell me. 1 by s, it is the Laplace transform of u of t, okay? Yes. But e power minus as by s is there, means you have to apply time shifting property. What is the time shifting property statement? X of t minus t naught Laplace transform is e power minus st naught into x of s. So from this property, u of t minus a Laplace transform is e power minus as by s. So what is the inverse? U of t minus a. Yes, B is the right option. Yes, correct. B is the right option. Yes, your answer is correct. Yes, B is the right option. Next. The unilateral Laplace transform of f of t is 1 by s square plus s plus 1. Then the unilateral Laplace transform of t into f of t is how much? See, if you know property statements, you can easily solve the problems, okay? Yes, that's why please remember the table, okay? I have given the table, okay? This is a very, very important one. Just if you know the property statements, you can able to solve any problem. T into f of t Laplace transform is how much? Yes, minus d by ds of f of s. Yes or not? So, t into f of t Laplace transform is minus d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. How much it is? What is the differentiation of this? Tell me. 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. So what is the right option? 2s plus 1 by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. D is the right option. D is the right option, okay? 2s plus 1 by s square plus s plus 1 whole square. D. D is the right option, okay? Yes, D is the right option, correct. Next to see here. If the unit step response of a system is unit impulse function, then the transfer function of such system is, understand the question, unit step response means output is unit step. See here, the unit step response of a system is unit impulse, means output is unit impulse del of t. What is the input? Unit step. Okay, yes. Unit step response means input is unit step, then output is how much? Unit impulse function. What is the transfer function is asking? H of s is equals to y of s divided by x of s. What is y of s? Tell me. Del of t Laplace transform 1 and u of t Laplace transform is 1 by s. Then the transfer function becomes s. So what is the answer? C. C is the right option. Yes, C is the right option. Okay. Yes. C is the right option. Okay. Yes. Next one. The Laplace transform of the function I of t is I of s is equals to 10s plus 4 by s into s plus 1 into s square plus 4s plus 5. What is the final value of this? So just apply final value theorem. Before applying the final value theorem, what you have to verify? Pole locations. Okay, yes. Check the pole locations. One pole at origin, another pole is at left half of the S plane. These poles are also left half of the S plane. Yes, condition is satisfied. You can apply final value theorem. What is the final value theorem? I of infinity equals to limit s tendings to 0 s into I of s. So limit s tendings to 0, ss cancel, 10s plus 4 divided by s plus 1 into s square plus 4s plus 5. Now substitute limit s tendings to 0, 4 divided by 5. Yes, 4 by 5 is the answer. B is the right option. Okay? Yes, B is the right option. One more time I am telling, before applying the final value theorem, you must verify the condition. All the poles must lies at the left half of the S plane only. And the exemption is one pole may be located at origin. Okay, yes. If this condition is satisfied, then only apply the final value theorem. Otherwise, don't apply final value theorem. You will get the wrong answer if you apply. Okay. So first verify the condition. Understood? Yes. So these are the some of the questions under Laplace transform. Okay. Yes. Now, next chapter is DTFT, discrete time Fourier transform. Okay, yes. What are the important topics are same, DTFT of standard signals and the properties of DTFT. Okay, yes. So I have given again in the table all the DTFT of standard signals in one table. This is also DTFT of standard signals. Okay, yes. This first column is x of n, second column is x of e power j omega. This is x of n, this is x of e power j omega. Okay, yes. And the DTFT properties I have listed in the table. This is the property statement, this is the property name, and it is the property statement. Okay, yes. Yes, please note down after the session. Okay, yes. Now let us see a few previous years questions under this topic. Okay, yes. Yes, correct. Durga Prasad, your is correct. Okay. For unstable system, you have to find inverse Laplace transform and substitute t tendings to infinity. Okay, yes, correct. Yes, correct. Next, see the question. Let x of n is equals to 1 by 2 whole power n u of n and y of n equals to x square of n and y of e power j omega be the Fourier transform of y of n. Then what is the value of capital Y of 0? He has given x of n is this one and y of n is this one. Asking the value of DTFT of y of n at omega equals to 0 means simple. First to find y of n. What is y of n? Tell me. 1 by 2 whole power n u of n whole square. So this is equals to 1 by 2 whole power n whole square means it becomes 1 by 4 whole power n. U of n into u of n is u of n. This is y of n. What is the DTFT of this? A power n u of n is, what is the DTFT? A power n u of n is 1 divided by 1 minus a e power minus j omega. So y of e power j omega is 1 divided by 1 minus a e power, it is a is nothing but 1 by 4 na? Yes. So here you write 1 by 4. Okay, yes. Now 1 minus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega. He is asking what is the value of y of e power j0. Substitute in place of omega 0, then 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 e power 0 is 1. So this value equals to 4 by 3. So what is the right option? D. D is the right option. Yeah, anybody given? Yes. 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 D is the right option. Okay, yes. Next. Determine the discrete time Fourier transform for the signal x of n equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, yes. See, this the signal is given. Okay, yes. What is the dt of t of this one? See, arrow given. What is the arrow means? It is indicates the 0th time index. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is -1, this is -2. These values are n values. This is x of n values. So what is the dt of t? Tell me. X of e power j omega equals to summation n equals to -infinity to +infinity x of n e power minus j omega n. So here n ranging from -2 to 2. Substitute n equals to -2. X of -2 value is how much? -2 e power 2j omega -1 e power j omega plus e power minus j omega plus e power minus 2j omega. So this is equals to, if I take here it is 2. If I take 2 common, e power, let us take -2 common, then e power j theta minus e power minus j theta is 2j sin theta. So 2j sin 2 omega. Here also if I take minus common, then e power j theta minus e power minus j theta is 2j sin theta. Okay, yes. So in the both of this, if I take minus 2j common, then 2 sin 2 omega plus sin omega. Okay, yes. Sin omega. I am taking minus 2j common, then minus 2j into 2 sin omega plus 2 sin 2 omega plus sin omega. What is the right option? Minus 2j I am taking common, 2 sin 2 omega plus sin omega. So the right option is B is the right option. So what is the right option? B. Yeah, anybody given? Correct. Correct. Your answer is correct. Yes, B is the right option. Yes. Next one. The discrete time Fourier transform of the signal x of n equals to 0.5 whole power n minus 1 u of n minus 1. So apply time shifting property. So what is the standard signal? 0.5 whole power n u of n is how much? 1 divided by 1 minus 0.5 e power minus j omega. But he has given 0.5 whole power n minus 1 u of n minus 1. Which property how to apply? Time shifting property. Time shifting property. So it is multiplied with e power minus j omega. So divided by 1 minus 0.5 e power minus j omega. So what is the property statement? X of n minus n naught dt of t is e power minus j omega n naught into x of e power j omega. See, we are seeing this many problems. What is the thing? Just you have to know property statement and standard signal transform. Yes or not? Yes. If you know those two, you can solve, you can able to solve easily any problem in the exam. Okay? Yes. So what is the right option? E power minus j omega by 1 minus 0.5 e power minus j omega. So the right option is A. A is the right option. Correct. Your answer is correct. Yes, A is the right option. Correct. Very good. Next, match list 1 time domain property with list 2 frequency domain property pertaining to Fourier representation, periodicity properties, and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Once you see here, it is a match the following question. What is list 1 given? Continuous, discrete, periodic, non-periodic. It is in the time domain. List 1 is in the time domain. What is list 2? It is in the frequency domain nature. Okay, frequency domain nature. Periodic, continuous, non-periodic, discrete. Okay, yes. So how they are matching is asking. Okay, these are the options. Simple, you know now. In the time domain, see, you have to remember this table. Okay, yes. Time domain, frequency domain. Okay, yes. In the time domain, continuous nature is there means in the frequency domain it is going to be non-periodic. Okay, yes. So continuous is matched to non-periodic is nothing but A matched to 3. A matched to 3 means A is correct and this D is correct. Okay, yes. Next, suppose in the time domain discrete is there means frequency domain it is going to be periodic. Okay, yes. So discrete matched to periodic means B matched to 1. Yes. So you can eliminate A option. So what is the right option? D. If you see the remaining things also, in the time domain periodic is there means in the frequency domain it is going to be discrete. Time domain non-periodic is there means frequency domain is going to be continuous. Okay, yes. So periodic is matched to discrete. So that's why C matched to 4 and D matched to 2. So what is the right option? D is the right option. Very good, very good. You are giving the correct answer. Yes, correct. It is good. Yes, next one. Another match the following. This is the question for property statements. Okay, yes. List 1 is time domain, list 2 is frequency domain. Just if you know the property statements, you can easily find the answer for this question. Time reversal property, x of minus n dt of t is how much? Tell me in these 4 options. Which one is the right option? X of e power minus j omega. So A match to 2. So either B is correct or D is correct. Okay, yes. N into x of n dt of t is how much? J d by d omega of x of e power j omega. Yes or not? B match to 4. Yes. So you can eliminate D. So B is the right option. Similarly, x star of n dt of t is x star of e power minus j omega. X of n minus 1 dt of t is e power minus j omega into x of e power j omega. So what is the right option? B is the right option. Yes, you are giving correct answers. Yes, very good. Correct. Yes. Next one. Yes, correct. Yes. C. X of n equals to 2 by pi at n equals to 0 and sin 2n by pi n at n not equals to 0. What is the energy of the sequence? Okay, yes. See, if you solve this problem in the time domain, you will not get the answer. Okay, yes. So for this type of problems, you have to solve by using Rayleigh's energy theorem. Means we need the dt of t of this one. What is the dt of t of this one? Tell me. It is sin an by pi n. What is the dt of t of sin an by pi n? Rectangular of omega by 2a. Yes or not? Yes. So the dt of t becomes minus 2 to 2 and the value is 1. Okay, sin an by pi n. What is the standard one? Sin an by pi n. dt of t is how much? Rectangular of omega by 2a. What is the a value here? 2. That's why rectangular of omega by 4 means minus 2 to 2. So from the Rayleigh's energy theorem, what is the energy? Tell me. 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi mod x of e power j omega whole square d omega. So 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi. What is x of e power j omega in this region? Tell me. 1. See, here what is the range? Original limits are minus pi to pi. By here minus 2 to 2 it is extending. So the limit will be minus 2 to 2. Minus 2 to 2. What is the value? 1 d omega. So this is equals to 4 by 2 pi. This is equals to 2 by pi. So what is the energy now? 2 by pi. Yes, A is the right option. A is the right option. Understood? Yes. Next. Next chapter is jet transform chapter. Okay, yes. What are the important topics are same here. Jet transform of standard signals, properties of jet transform and initial and final value theorems. Okay, yes. These are the important topics under this chapter. Now, I am giving few important points here. Properties of ROC of finite duration sequences. Okay, yes, please make a note of this. Finite duration right-sided sequence, ROC is entire jet plane except at z equals to 0. You can also mention it as mod z greater than 0. What is ROC? Mod z greater than 0. Okay, yes. For finite duration left-sided sequence, ROC is entire jet plane except at z equals to infinite and minus infinite. That is, the ROC becomes mod z less than infinity. For finite duration both-sided sequence, ROC is entire jet plane except at z equals to 0 and infinite and minus infinite. That is nothing but ROC becomes 0 less than mod z less than infinite. Okay, yes. These are the very, very important points. These are the properties of ROC of finite duration sequences. Similarly, I am giving all the standard signal transforms in one table. Make a note of this. Okay, yes. So these are the standard signal jet transforms. Okay, yes. and this is also standard signal Z transform. This is X of n and capital X of Z and ROC. Okay, yes. Please make a note of this. Okay, yes. Next, these are the properties I am listed in one table. Okay, yes. Please make a note of this after the session. Yes, this is also initial value theorem, final value theorem, property statements. Now, let us see few previous year's questions, okay, from this chapter. See the first one. The ROC of the signal X of n equals to a power n for minus 5 less than n less than 5 is. What is the answer? Entire Z plane except at Z equals to 0 and infinite. Entire Z plane except at Z equals to 0. Entire Z plane except at Z equals to infinity. Yes, I am waiting for your answers. Tell me, what is your answer? Yes, please post your answer. What is your answer? Yes, yes, tell me. What is your answer? Yeah, waiting for your answers. B is the right option, correct. Durga Prasad, your answer is correct. Why B is the right option? Because it is a finite duration sequence and both sided finite duration sequences are not. Yes, minus 5 to plus 5 is nothing but it is both sided and finite duration. Just now I have given the point that for both sided finite duration sequence, the ROC is entire Z plane except at Z equals to 0 and infinite. So, what is the right option? B is the right option. Yes, B is the right option. Okay, yes. B is the right option. Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. Yes, B is the right option. Next. If X of Z is the Z transform of X of n equals to 1 by 2 whole power mod n, what is the ROC? Yes, post your answer. What is the ROC of this? Yes. See, what is X of n given? 1 by 2 whole power mod n is given. So, how to write this? Tell me. 1 by 2 whole power n u of n plus 1 by 2 whole power minus n, 1 by 2 whole power minus n. Yes, u of minus n minus 1. So, X of n can be expressed as 1 by 2 whole power n u of n plus 2 to the power of n u of minus n minus 1. Asking what is the ROC of this one? Yes. What is the ROC of the first one? Mod z greater than 1 by 2. What is the ROC of this? Mod z less than 2. What is the resultant ROC? Mod z greater than 1 by 2 intersection mod z less than 2. So, what is the intersection? Tell me. 1 by 2 less than mod z less than 2. Yes or not? 1 by 2 less than mod z less than 2. So, the right option is C. Yeah, very good. Raju, your answer is correct. And aspirant is their name. So, your answer, your option is also correct. Yes, C is the right option. Very good. Yes, correct. Yes. Next. If Z transform of X of n is X of Z, then the Z transform of X of n minus k is, it is a previous year question. See, if you know the property statement, you can easily able to answer. Okay, yes. It is time shifting property, direct option. What is the answer? Yes, post your answer. Yes, what is the option? Yes, very good. Z power minus k X of Z, correct. Your option is correct. Yes, very good. Z power minus k into X of Z. Okay, yes. It is a C is the right option. Okay, Z power minus k into X of Z. Okay, yes, C is the right option. Okay, yes. Next one. For a stable discrete time LTA system, poles should lie dash and a unit circle should be dash. Options are given like this: outside unit circle, inside unit circle, included ROC, outside of ROC. Yes, I am waiting for your options. Yes, post your option. Yes, post your option. Yes, I am waiting. What is the right option? For a stable discrete time LTA system, yes, pole should lie at where? Poles should lie at inside the unit circle. Correct, given the correct option. Yes, poles should lie at inside the unit circle and the unit circle should be included in ROC. Correct, C is the right option. Very good. Durga Prasad, Raju and Uma, all of given correct answers. Yes, very good. Correct options are given. Very good. Yes. Next one. The Z transform of discrete time signal X of n equals to U of n convolution U of n, where star represents convolution. What is the Z transform of this one? Yes, if I apply Z transform to this one, X of Z is equals to convolution in time domain equals to multiplication in the z domain. What is the z transform of u of n? 1 by 1 minus z inverse into 1 by 1 minus z inverse. What is the ROC of this? Mod z greater than 1. What is the ROC of this? Mod z greater than 1. So what is the answer? 1 divided by 1 minus z inverse whole square, and the ROC becomes intersection of these two, mod z greater than 1. Yes, very good. B is the right option. Yes, yes, correct. You have given the correct option. Yes, 1 by 1 minus z inverse whole square, and the ROC is mod z greater than 1. Correct. Yes. Next, given x of z equals to 0.5 into z by z minus 2. It is given that ROC of x of z includes unit circle. Then the value of x of 0 is how much? Yes, it's a logical question. Don't do the mistake. Okay. Yes. Why? Where is the logic is? He has given that ROC is including unit circle. See, what is x of z given? 0.5 into z by z minus 2. How many ROCs are possible for this? Tell me. Mod z greater than 2, mod z less than 2. 2 ROCs are possible. He is mentioning that ROC is including unit circle. In which case it is possible? Tell me. Only in this case only. In this case it is not possible. Yes or not? Yes. So you have to consider this ROC and find the inverse z transform. What is the inverse z transform of this one? Z by z minus a mod z less than mod a means minus 0.5 2 to the power of n u of minus n minus 1. Yes, this is the inverse of this one. He is asking what is the value of x of 0. What is the value of x of 0? Minus 0.5 into, yes, minus 0.5 into 2 to the power of 0 u of minus 1. What is the value of u of minus 1? 0. So x of 0 equals to 0 into anything 0. So what is the initial value? B. Yes, B is the right option. Yes, anybody given? Yes, very good, very good. So many given correct option. Yes, Raju, aspirant, and Durga Prasad, Uma. Yes, very good. You have given correct options. Yes, correct. Next one. Next chapter, DFT, FFT and DFS, discrete Fourier transform, fast Fourier transform and discrete Fourier series. Okay, yes. See, let us see few important previous year questions, and important topics are same, properties of DFT and properties of DFS. Okay, yes. In any transform, the important topics are property statements only. Okay, yes. See, one of the question. The first 6 points of the 8-point DFT of a real valued sequence, this is very, very important. Real valued, underline that, is the real valued sequence are 5, 1 minus j3, 0, 3 minus j4, comma 0 and 3 plus j4. The last 2 points of the DFT are respectively. He has given that first 6 points of 8-point DFT. 8-point DFT is nothing but capital N equals to 8. He has given first 6 points. If capital N is 8, let us assume x of n is the sequence and x of k is the DFT. How many values for k? 0 to n minus 1 means 0 to 7. First 5 values are nothing but x of 0 to x of 5 are given. He is asking what are capital X of 6 value and what is capital X of 7 value. Okay, yes. Let us find this. See here, given capital N equals to 8 and x of n is real. It is very, very important that if x of n is real, you have to know this property. If x of n is real, then capital X of k is equals to capital X star of n minus k. See, this value is, first value is capital X of 0, second value is capital X of 1, this value is capital X of 2, this value is capital X of 3, and this value is capital X of 4, this value is capital X of 5. You have to find capital X of 6 and capital X of 7. So this is equals to capital X star of what is capital N? 8. 8 minus k. You have to find capital X of 6. What is capital X of 6? Tell me. Capital X star of 2. What is capital X of 2? 0. 0 conjugate is 0 only. capital X of 7 is equals to capital X star of 1 because 8 minus 7, 1. What is X of 1? 1 minus J3. 1 minus J3 conjugate is how much? 1 plus J3. So what are the last 2 points? 0, 1 plus J3. Anybody given? Yes, 0, 1 plus J3. Very good. B is the right option. Yes, some of them given. Correct answer. Durga Prasad, your answer is correct. Uma, correct. Raju, correct. Yes, very good. Yes. Next. Suppose x of k is the 6-point DFT of x of n equals to 432,100 and capital Y of k is W6 power 4k into x of k, where y of k is the 6-point DFT of y of n and W6 is e power minus j 2 pi by 6. Which of the following represents y of n? Questions looking lengthy but answer is very small. Okay, if you know the property statement, the answer is going to be very small. Simple one. See here, capital Y of k is equals how much given? W6 power 4k. What is W6 is given? E power minus j 2 pi by 6 whole power 4k means it becomes into 4k into capital X of k. He is asking what is y of n, means apply IDFT to this one. Apply IDFT. What is IDFT? Which property you have to apply? Circular shift in time domain property. What is circular shift in time domain property? X of n minus n naught modulo n is e power minus j 2 pi by n into n naught k into capital X of k. Just to compare these two equations and tell me what is y of n. If I apply IDFT to this one, n naught value is 4. So x of n minus 4 modulo 6 because capital N is 6 here. Yes, you have to find x of n minus 4 modulo 6. What is x of n minus 4 modulo 6? Circular left shift x of n by 4 times. Circular left shift. What is x of n is given? X of n is given as 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. Circular left shift by 4 times. X of n minus 4 modulo 6. Circular left shift like this by 4 times. Then what is the value you will get? Tell me. 2, 1, 0, 0, 4, 3. Yes, this is the answer. Okay. Circular left shift. If you do one time, you will get 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you do second time, 0, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you do third time, 1, 0, 0, 4, 3, 2. Fourth time, 2, 1, 0, 0, 4, 3. So what is the right option? Yes, 210043. B is the right option. Yes, Raju, your answer is correct. Yes, Uma, your answer is also correct. Yes, very good, correct. Yes, next one. See here. Number of complex multiplications and number of complex additions in radix to n point FFT algorithm is. Tell me what is the right option in this? What is the right option? Complex multiplications and complex additions. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, post your answer here. Yes, post your answer. I am waiting. What is the right option? Number of complex multiplications and complex additions. Okay. Yes, it is a standard one. What is the right option? What is the right option? No, Raju, it's not C. It's not C. Yes. Waiting for your answers. Yes. The right option is, yes, tell me what is the right option? Number of complex multiplications are n by 2 log n base 2. Number of complex additions are n log n base 2. So what is the right option is? A is the right option. These are the number of calculations in FFT. Complex multiplications and complex additions. Yes, Raju, your answer is correct. A. Yes. Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. Yes. Next one. Difference in number of complex multiplications required for 16-point DFT and 16-point radix to FFT is how much? He is asking difference in number of calculations for by using 16-point DFT and 16-point radix to FFT, means difference of number of calculations for DFT and FFT. First, how many complex multiplications are required in DFT? Capital N square. This is the formula for number of complex multiplications in DFT. Capital N is how much given? 16. So 16 square, how much it is? 256. How many calculations in radix to FFT? Radix to FFT, how many calculations? Capital N by 2 log N base 2. This is equals to 16 by 2 log 16 base 2. 16 by 2 into log 16 base 2 is 4. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 16 2 ja 32. He is asking difference. Difference. What is the difference? Tell me. 256 minus 32. So you will get 224. So the right option is C. Yeah, C is the right option. Yes. Yeah, C is the right option. Okay. Yes. 224 is the correct option. Okay. Yes. Very good. Yes. Next one. And the next chapter, realization of digital filters. Okay. Yes. Now, important topics are identifying the type of the filter and finding the number of delay elements. Okay, these are the important topics in realization of digital filters chapter. Okay, yes. Now, see some of the previous year's questions. Yes, a digital signal processing system is described by the expression y of n equals to 2x of n plus x of n minus 1 plus 2y of n minus 1. Then the system is stable FIR filter, a stable IIR filter, an unstable FIR filter, an unstable IIR filter. Yes, tell me, what is the right option? I am waiting for your answer. Yes, please tell me, is it first of all IIR filter or FIR filter? Tell me. Yes, your answer. Yes, tell me. Yes. How to identify whether it is IIR filter or FIR filter? Tell me. Yes. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, tell me. Is it IIR filter or FIR filter? How to identify? Yes, see the logic here. It is a given difference equation. If present output depends on past output, no doubt at all, it is a IIR filter. If any past outputs are present, that is a IIR filter. Okay, yes. Y of n minus 1, n minus 2, such terms are present, it is a IIR filter, means infinite impulse response filter, feedback is present. Suppose in the expression only x terms are present, y of n and x of n minus 1, such terms are present. There is no y of n minus 1, y of n minus 2, such type of terms are not there. It is nothing but FIR. Simple definition is present output depends on only present input and past inputs, that is FIR filter. If present output depends on past output, such type of filter is called IIR filter. Okay, yes. It is a IIR filter, correct. Now, he is asking, we are confirming that it is a IIR filter, means either B is correct and either D is correct. And he is asking that whether it is a stable filter or unstable filter. How to find it is a stable or unstable? All the poles of the filter must lies inside the unit circle, then it is a stable filter. Yes or not? Yes. So let us check for the pole locations. Okay, let us check for the pole locations. Okay, yes. Now, apply jet transform. Apply jet transform. Tell me, what is the jet transform of y of n? Y of z equals to 2x of z plus x of n minus 1 jet transform is z inverse into x of z plus 2z inverse y of z. 2z inverse y of z. Okay? Yes. Now, y of z common, then 1 minus 2z inverse equals to x of z common, then 2 plus z inverse. What is the transfer function? H of z is equals to y of z divided by x of z. Okay, yes. So this is equals to 2 plus z inverse by 1 minus 2z inverse. Okay, yes. So this is equals to 2z plus 2z plus 1. See here, it is 2z plus 1 divided by z minus 2. z minus 2. Tell me what is the pole of this function? Pole is at z equals to 2. Yes or not? Pole is at z equals to 2. Is it lies inside the unit circle or outside the unit circle? Z equals to 2 means it is mod z is greater than 1 or not? Yes. It is outside the unit circle. Yes, outside the unit circle. Yes, outside the unit circle. Yes, outside the unit circle means is it stable system or unstable system? Unstable system. Unstable system. Okay, yes. Now finally tell me what is the type of this filter? It is IIR filter and unstable filter. IIR and unstable. Anybody given the option? Yes, it is a unstable IIR filter. D is the right option. Okay, yes, unstable IIR filter. Yes, correct. D is the right option. Okay, yes, D is the right option. Okay, yes. Next one. The minimum number of delay elements required for realizing a digital filter with the transfer function in direct form 1 method is how much? This is the transfer function is given 1 plus a z inverse plus b z power minus 2 by 1 plus c z inverse plus d z power minus 2 plus e z power minus 3. This is the transfer function is given. How many minimum number of delay elements are required? How many number of delay elements are required? Okay, yes, by using direct form 1 method. Direct form 1 method is given. Tell me what is your answer? Tell me. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. What is the option? How many minimum number of delay elements are required for using direct form 1 method? Yes, please give a reply. Waiting for your reply. What is the right option? C. See here. Yeah. See, in the direct form 1 method, the number of delay elements are, how to find the number of delay elements are nothing but see here, see the numerator and denominator. What is the logic is maximum delay in the numerator plus maximum delay in the denominator. Maximum delay is nothing but 2, maximum delay here is nothing but 3. So what is the maximum delay in the numerator? 2, maximum delay in the denominator 3. So the number of delay elements are 5. Whereas in the direct form 2 method, what are the minimum number of delay elements are nothing but max of maximum delay in the numerator plus maximum delay in the denominator. What is the maximum delay in the numerator? 2. What is the maximum delay in the denominator? 3. So max of 2 comma 3. So it is 3. This is direct form 1 method. This is direct form 2 method. In the question is asking that direct form 1 method. So in the direct form 1 method, what is the right option? Yes, D is the right option. Okay, yes. Number of delay elements are required are 5. Okay, yes. Number of delay elements are 5. So these are the few important questions under realization of digital filters topic. Okay, yes. So once again I am telling Fourier transform, Laplace transform, DTFT, Z transform, DFT. The important topics are transform properties, transform statements and standard signal transforms. If you know these two, you can easily solve any problem in the exam. Okay, yes. If you have any queries, okay, if you have any queries, please mail to my mail ID. I will respond. Srikanth Sure@gmail.com. Okay, yes, gmail.com. Post your queries to this mail ID. I will respond. Okay, yes. Thank you for watching this YouTube live session. Thank you.